The 2-week diet is a revolutionary new dietary system that not only guarantees to help you lose weight, it also promises to eliminate more body fat faster than anything you've tried before. The entire 2-week diet system is created by super fitness coach and personal trainer Brian Flatt. His experience is vast, and his networks of trainers are just as great and as enormous. The first thing you need to know is the extra weight you're carrying around is not your fault. The truth is there are many reasons you might have struggled to lose weight in the past, and you probably fall into one or more of these categories. 1. You're getting bad information about weight loss and weight gain. 2. You are suffering from cellular inflammation. 3. You're counting calories or focusing on the eat less, exercise more mantra that the medical community has been brainwashing for decades. 4. Unable to see real results for your effort, you jump from one diet to the next hoping something will eventually work. 5. You lack the right plan. A good plan is easy to follow, personalized, and from an up-to-date expert who understands the mechanisms behind rapid weight loss. The 2-week diet gives you a complete look at the science behind gaining and losing weight, so you can finally follow straightforward, precise steps to burn away stubborn body fat. With your step-by-step instructions, you will be able to take control of your body like never before. Losing weight will become a matter of following simple steps. Here's a quick summary of the 2-week diet system for handbook. The launch handbook condenses the essential information and sends you off informed and motivated. This includes what types of foods and nutrients you need and more. There is a wealth of insider knowledge in this guide. The diet handbook is where we get down to business. You get a breakdown of what to eat, how much to eat, and when to eat. Plus, you also get the top secret weapon for maintaining your ideal weight for a lifetime. This ensures lasting results and prevents backsliding. Finally, while the diet handbook alone provides you with a simple blueprint for losing all the weight you want, having a quality workout program can boost your results. But listen carefully, the workout program is optional. Of course, exercise is always beneficial, but the 2-week diet system harnesses your body's chemistry so effectively that it works by itself. There's the activity handbook. It provides a straightforward guide to forcing your body to release stubborn stored body fat so it can break down into fatty acids and burned as fuel. The 2-week diet workouts are only about 15 minutes and can be done anywhere. That makes it hard to find an excuse not to work out. Plus, included in the activity handbook is the My Ultimate ABS exercise that is everything you'll ever need to flatten your stomach and build a set of sexy six-pack ABS. Finally, there's the motivation handbook, where you get a treasure trove of tips, tricks, tools, and secrets for losing weight, keeping it off, staying motivated, reaching your weight loss goals now, and maintaining your new body for life. The proper mindset is key to your success, and you can turn to the many resources in the motivation handbook whenever you need inspiration. Given everything that's inside the 2-week diet system, it should be obvious that there's nothing like this out there. Now you might be wondering what makes the 2-week diet so special and different from all the other diet plans out there. Well, first off, most, if not all, of the other diet plans out there focus on the slow and steady approach. Their problem is focusing only on attacking stubborn body fat. Why 2-week diet is unique? The 2-week diet is unique because 1. It stops your body from forming new triglycerides, and 2. It directly targets stubborn fat to be burned for your daily energy needs. The bottom line is that in 14 days the 2-week diet gets done what other diets take 2 or 3 months to accomplish. The 2-week diet system helps you burn 16 pounds in just 14 incredible days. It provides you with only essential nutrients, eliminating other nutrients that slow down or stop you from burning fat. Unlike most diet books, gym memberships, weight loss plans, and fat-burning pills on the market, the 2-week diet comes with 100% no-nonsense lose the weight or it's free guarantee. So now that you're watching this video, I believe that you want to know if the 3-week diet system is really good. If you are interested, you can visit the official website at the descriptions link below this video for raving reviews from lifelong fans of the 2-week diet. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Go watch the full free presentation now. I hope you give yourself a chance to get blown away with the fast, easy and powerful results. In 2 weeks' time you'll be telling everyone how this was the turning point in your year. Today is the day. To get started, simply click on the link below.